Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to draw into your document on the Pages application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the browser icon and then on my phone. After that, you can either create a new document by tapping on the first option or select an already existing document. Then you should tap on the plus icon at the top of the screen and tap on Drawing down below. Tap on OK. And here, as you can see, you have a vast variety of tools that you can choose from. Here, if you tap on the relevant one, you can choose the size of it and the color or the shade of it. If you want to change the color, you should tap on the this icon in the right side of the screen and select a color that you want to use. So you have a vast variety of options here that you can use, eraser as well, highlighter, so feel free to highlight your text as well if you want to. You can add the drawings. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.